color is the sky? Blue. Which animal can fly? Bird. What is round? Ball. Which one can you eat? Sandwich. Which one has 4 legs? Chair. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Which one is bigger? Elephant. Which one is faster? Car. What do you wear on your feet? Shoes. What has hands but can't clap? Clock. Which one is used to brush your teeth? Toothbrush. What is white and falls in winter? Snow. Which one has wheels? Bicycle. What is the opposite of soft? Hard. Which animal barks? Dog. What animal hops? Kangaroo. What do you use to write? Pencil. Which animal has a trunk? Elephant. Which one is used to cut paper? Scissors. What do you wear on your head?